What's up, everyone? This is the Haiboxing 903A. It is a brushless 4x4 monster truck. I have already bashed this thing, so I'm not going to bother unboxing it. Because of everything you see here, user manual, an optional wheelie bar, tools, body clips, two 7.4 volt 1600 milliamp batteries, and chargers. Under the hood, you've got a brushless 3800 kV motor with a 35 amp ESC receiver combo. This truck also comes standard with aluminum oil-filled shocks. It's also running a standard 3-wire servo, so that's nice for when you need to replace it or upgrade it. It's got a pretty cool retro square body style truck. Like I said, I've already bashed it. I actually ended up cracking it right here. That's actually Gorilla Tape that's showing through, and went on and reinforced the inside of it. If you landed on the roof while trying to do a flip, the body can be a bit fragile. Other than that, it's been a pretty cool truck. Lots of power, lots of torque. It does handle jumps really well, it flies well, lands well. The suspension works pretty well on it, and it's got gobs of power for what it is. Transmitter has steering trim, dual rate and speed controls. You can also reverse the steering and reverse the throttle. It's a pretty decent transmitter. It's much larger than some of the transmitters that come with the 18 scale trucks that they put out. Overall, pretty nice. So if you're looking for a good beginner basher truck, this is definitely a good one. It's a 12th scale, so it's a little bit bigger. It's got some good speed to it. So far, it's been a lot of fun, and I'm gonna continue to bash it and shake it down and see how it goes, but so far so good. I'm really impressed.